This is my natural background and this is an AI background. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use AI background for your videos, especially if you are not confident about your background and you need a better background to shoot your videos. I'm going to teach you how to do that so that you don't have excuses not to come on social media in 2026. In Grok AI, click on Imagine at the top, then click on the menu at the bottom right. You can see the menu bar, so I'm just going to click on it now. It will take you to where you can choose your aspect ratio. Now I'll make sure that my aspect ratio is that of YouTube because my video is that of YouTube, that is 16:9. Once you are done doing that, go to the text box and paste your prompt, and then once you read through your prompt and you're satisfied, you can just click on send. If you want this prompt, just let me know in the comment section and I'm going to share it with you. Now my background images are ready because Grok AI generated a lot for me, so I'm just going to go through to see the one that I like. I think I like this one, and I'm going to go ahead and click on the download button to download it, and I'm going to use it. I like that one too. I'm going to download it too. I like this too. So just go through your images and see the ones you like so that you can download it. And when I share the prompt with you, don't forget to make it your own. You can make whatever adjustments you like to the prompt to make it your own. So the next thing I'm going to do after downloading all the images that I like is I'm going to head over to CapCut. Now, in CapCut, click on New Video and then go ahead and pick the background one of the background you have just downloaded from Grok AI. So I'm going to pick the one that I like the most, or the one that I like best. I think it is this one. Then I'm going to click on add. I'm going to add it to my timeline in CapCut. Next, you are going to drag the image. Make sure it is the length of your video. For example, if your video is 20 minutes, make sure the length of your image is 20 minutes. Next, go to overlay, click on overlay and bring in the video you recorded in your natural habitat. That is your natural environment. So I'm just going to search for that video and bring it here. Okay, I think it's this one. I'm just going to click on add. And now my video is now there as an overlay. Click on the video, then go in search of remove BG, that is remove background. Once you get there, click on auto remove, and then you can see that CapCut will automatically remove the background. I'm just going to adjust the video until I get it right. So you can see now I am adjusting the video until I feel it is right, or I see that it is right and it is giving a natural background. So you can see I'm going to adjust it a bit because I don't like this. I'm just going to keep adjusting until I am satisfied with what I have. So I think this is way better than the initial one and it looks so natural and poppy. So all you need to do is just adjust it until you get the natural feel with your AI background. You can see it looks natural and it looks like I shot this in this AI background. Please, if you are still watching till this point, do not forget to subscribe, leave a comment and just like this video so that YouTube can show it to other people who are interested. You can see that it's blend with the background and this looks so beautiful. And the background also looks natural. You can hardly tell that it is AI generated and it was superimposed. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. When you are done, just click on export at the top right to export your video. Bye bye.